Alright, I'm gonna open these boba stretch. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. I'm a little scared to squeeze her. I don't know how I feel about you. I think the idea is cute, but like, I'm terrified to actually give it a squeeze. Like, I'm afraid it's gonna pop. And then all the liquid will come out. I would say out of 10, I give it a 2. Because I can definitely see these popping very quickly. Yeah, 2 out of 10 on these guys. They're cute. I think as a visual stim, they're a little bit better. But as a squeeze thing, I wouldn't really bank on maybe squeezing the bottom. That's not too bad, but like, again, listen, it makes a cool noise. Anyways, I would say 2 out of 10 for me, just because like squeezability isn't there, but they're still very cute, and they could still be very like not stim, but like visual stimming, if that makes sense. All right, bye.